Okay, so say I fill up the time, the actual time I spent from Monday to Sunday. Of course, both these columns here are predicted column. And now I want to know how much time am I actually spending here. What I will want to do here is I want to calculate how many boxes of eat I have. Well, you can do it manually. 1 box, 2 box, 3 boxes. Or you can use the COUNTIF function to help you. Let's go to formulas, insert function, and COUNTIF. Now when you look here, it says a range and a criteria. So our range, just click on this, would be this whole thing, this whole column, starting from cell B2 to B49. I'm done selecting it, and the criteria if it's equals to eat. Now when I press enter, you see it returns me 3. So this is pretty good. Okay, but 3 is not the number of hours. It's actually 3 half hours, meaning I have to modify this formula to multiply with 0.5, or you can do it divide by 2. So this is correct. It means I spent 1.5 hours on Monday eating. So we would do the same thing for the rest. The only problem if I drag this down, you would see that I spend no time on housework, which is correct. My housework is okay, which is correct. So, but you would see that instead of starting at B2, it starts at B3 and it moves on to B50. Because this is known as relative cell referencing. When I copy and paste it 1 row over, the calculation will also move 1 row lower. So I would make this into a mixed referencing, meaning I would tell that, okay, even though I change my row, you stay at your row. Now look, if I do this, what happens is, let's just drag it down. You see B2 and B49, it doesn't change even though my row change. What changes is only the referencing to the terms that I need to meet. And this is pretty good. I get it done for Monday, copy and paste, drag it across, oops, and it should be done, but it's not working. Because when you see here, it's referring to my criteria as 1.5. There's no such thing as 1.5 here. So what I need to do is to make, this time I'll say the column stays. Now I will just move this down, and then ta-da! Hey, I got everything done. So this is called cell referencing, mixed referencing, and I will give you an example of absolute referencing in the class.